Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring your iPhone 11 is updated and backed up. This prevents data loss when changing cellular profiles. Once done, open Settings and go to Cellular to view installed plans. Remove any old or corrupted ESIM by tapping the plan, selecting Remove Cellular Plan, and confirming. You do this to clear conflicts. Make sure you have your carrier's QR code or activation details on hand, and stay on stable Wi-Fi so the activation can complete without interruption. Next, add the ESIM by selecting Add Cellular Plan in Settings Cellular and scanning the carrier QR code. If the scanner fails, choose Enter Details manually and type the SMDP Plus address and activation code provided. If your carrier supplies an app, install it and follow its guided ESIM install. Apps can handle provisioning automatically. Once the profile shows active, restart your iPhone to finalize the stack, and then confirm cellular data and data roaming toggles match your plan and destination. To finish, test a call, send an SMS, and load a web page to verify mobile data. If there's no service despite active status, toggle airplane mode on then off to force a network reattach. Make sure preferred line and default voice settings are correct. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm provisioning or perform settings, general transfer, or reset network settings as a last resort, which clears old network caches and often restores proper ESIM connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.